how to add resize animations in Wix Studio. So by resize, we are actually talking about the expansion as well as the shrinking animation. So first things first, head over and then select the element that you want to add that animation. In this case, I'll choose in here this image. From in there, click on this button right here, which is our inspector. You can see in here that you can click onto this option and you can see the animations and effects. So you're free to choose what kind of animation you want. It can be an entrance, hover, click, scroll, or other more. For this one, I'll choose in here entrance. And from in there, it will show us this actual animation. We can see in here the expand animation. So you can head over and then add that right there. Now, if you want to use the shrink animation, you need to head over to the click option. And under that, you can see the expand and shrink, which are both the resizing animations that Wix Studio offers. Just choose which one you want, and you should be able to actually apply it. So that's how you add resize animations in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.